Sweet Poppy Homestead here. We are growing our own food and we live in the suburbs of Southern California. Today we're talking about all the different fruits that we have growing right now and what we will be harvesting in the month of November 2023. So we're just showcasing the fruits and we'll do a full tour another day. If you want, let me know. So here we have our broadleaf papaya tree. It's only about 2 years old, and we have some papayas up here. They're not quite ready because they haven't turned that pinkish orange yet, but you can actually eat the papaya green as well in salads. So if we wanted to, we could do that. We also, we usually like to let them, turn pink and eat them then. And we also use the papaya for soap. So if you're interested, check out our website. I'll link it below. It's sweetpoppyhomestead.com, and we have papaya soap that we make from our organic papaya here that we grow. So there is one of the papaya trees. Let me show you another one here. Well, here's some bananas growing. So there's one rack. And then this papaya tree is a couple years older. We have some papayas growing on this one as well. This one, when we bought it, was labeled as a solo papaya, but it is definitely not a solo papaya, but they are quite delicious. I think it's one of the Caribbean kinds, I'm not sure. There's some little papaya flowers up there too. So these we could pick if they're green, but we will probably wait. There's more banana racks as well. One of them's actually ready. Let me see if I can show you here. Let's see. All right, so we have 2 other banana racks here in the month of November, and we do tend to have bananas almost all year round. Every couple of months we have another rack growing. This one, you can tell these bananas are starting to turn yellow, so that means we can cut this whole rack down today, and all of these will ripen in the next couple days. And let me just show you our other one we have here as well. So there's our 3rd rack. There might even be a 4th. Can't see it right now, but let's move on. Okay, month of November, we have one little baby watermelon growing here. Very tiny. And we just harvested a huge melon, very heavy. I'll put the pictures here so you can see, but we have this big plant. It's early November. And we're gonna try to grow that little baby watermelon, see what happens there. Hopefully it can get big enough before it gets too cold. All right, so we have 2 of our persimmon trees here, and a lot of the leaves are gone because it was quite windy the other day, but these are so delicious. This is the crunchy kind that you can eat out of hand, just like an apple. They're really sweet. We like to blend these up. Actually, we have 2 trees here. Let me show you the other one. We like to blend these up and make like a persimmon sauce, kind of like applesauce. And I'll show you that video a little bit later on because it's really easy to make and really good. But yes, persimmons, lots of persimmons lately. Okay, other fruit we have right now, this is our pomegranate tree. Now these it's in a shady area, and these pomegranates don't get too big, so I don't get too excited about these. They have some sort of disease this year that they didn't have last year. I'll have to look into that. If you know, please let me know. This one looks okay. But yeah, we do have lots of pomegranates over here. There's our Thai basil and lemon verbena. Let me take you over to the citrus area and the other trees. I'm only showing the fruits that that are trees or vines that actually have fruit on them right now. So the other trees and plants that aren't fruiting, we're not going over today, but I'll just show you the ones that are fruiting. Okay, so our passion fruit about a month ago produced all kinds of purple ones. As you may know, if you have a passion fruit vine, they're very vigorous, can grow quite quickly. And then look at that big spider. Look at that. That's huge. Oh my goodness. But when the passion fruit are ripe, they'll drop and get purple. And that's when you know they're ready. And when they get wrinkly, that's when they're quite sweet and delicious. So that's what you want to look for. And I was excited to see more popping up after, you know, we got so many of the purple passion fruit that fell. So there's like a whole nother round going on. So here's one big one there. But you'll see it's kind of moved on to this trellis. Here's some passion fruit. And look at these. It's just loaded with passion fruit, which is quite exciting. Here's some more over here. Yeah. Here's our grapefruit tree. You can see these are still quite green. Need some more time. But this is one of our best producing trees. We usually have all kinds of grapefruit year round here. We just freeze the juice. Look at that. Alright, we have a lemon tree here. Some more little lemons growing here. They'll probably be ready in a couple months at the earliest. Here is our orange tree. As you can see, it is quite large, and there are lots and lots of fruit this year. It is just loaded up. This is one of our bigger trees as well. All right, something else we have growing that is fruiting is this guava tree. You can see it has some little guavas starting. Here's one right here. There's a couple right here. There's more over here as well. And these are pink guava. So it'll be a little bit before they're ready, but they look good. Over here, we have our giant bacon avocado tree. I'm underneath it right now. We have lots of avocados that have already started to fall. It's a little early. I like it usually about a month later. But I think they will ripen. It's been really windy and so a lot have come down. But look at all these avocados here. Look, they're all just ready here. There's more here. Here. Look at that. Here's the whole tree here. I'll just pan up. All the way up. This tree's huge. Okay, so that's a tour of just our fruit trees that are fruiting right now. We have fruit all year round. I'm going to start sharing each month what we have. We have several other trees that aren't producing right now just because it's not in season. Apricot and peach and all kinds of things like that. So we'll go into those in different months, and I think our next video we're going to share our persimmon recipe and a little bit of information about growing persimmon trees. If you have any other interests, let me know below. Please like and subscribe, and you can always check me out on Instagram too. Take care.